Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a high-rise video. We're using a Kong mouse helmet, a Kong frog to connect a harness to Descender, Petzl ID, Petzl ASAP, 18-inch Zorbo Squeegee, 24-inch Ed-Ray fixed T-bar, 4 tool lanyards, Ed-Ray 2-foot 2-section pole, 5-inch single suction cup, glisten soap, and a DBI Sala 4-point Bosun chair. This is a 23-story building, working on the 23rd floor currently. The 23rd floor has windows that are taller. It's an executive floor. So these windows are about 7 feet tall, and the rest of the floors are probably 4.5 to 5 foot. The reason we're using a pole is because these windows are recessed in about 2.5 feet, and the ledge below is a slanted ledge where you can't get footing onto it. So you can't physically cup in and hand squeegee fanning any of these windows. Using this pole, this top floor is going to have a slightly different process. We're going to squeegee this 3/4 of the way down, and then we will make a different motion sweeping towards the center of the window to close out with that squeegee, to close out to the center frame, and this is due to the size. Every window size is going to have a slightly different technique. The funny thing with this building is we've also used motorized scaffolding, 40-foot deck, 2 guys, 2 motors, cleaning 1 bay, which is 7 windows wide. When you use rope descent, we're cleaning 2 windows at a time, and one of the windows has to be a single to get to that 7 number. Twice as fast by doing the guys on RDS compared to the motorized scaffolding, just because of the equipment, the move-overs, everything that's involved there, and I believe the RDS is a safer way because we can rescue our guys so much quicker. Severe weather comes up, we can get to safety faster. As we move down to this next floor, you're going to see a similar method, but like I said, these are shorter windows, but we still have the same 2.5 foot recessed windows and the same slanted ledge. So we have just enough room to cup to that window, but we surely can't reach to the top of it with a squeegee or even to wet it down. So we're going to keep our systems the same, we're going to keep our techniques the same. When you're using 4 squeegee lanyards, 1 for your squeegee, applicator, suction cup, and the pole, it's very critical that you keep the same system put together. You take out the same piece of tool, you put them back in the same order, just so you're not crossing these lines. This is 23 floors of glass we're cleaning. There's many opportunities to do one thing differently, and that'll tangle something up, or when you get halfway down, everything will be tangled in a situation to where you'll have to stop, fix the mess, and move on from there. After we wet the window, we're just straight pulling these straight down. We found that to be an efficient method for us, and you'll see we kind of get moving on this building, and we make quick work of these windows using a pole, and you can see pulling with one hand because your second hand is keeping pressure into the building to be able to squeegee this. Another thing is the cup. We're releasing that cup right now so we can squeegee all the way down. Big problem with many high-rise window cleaners, they don't know how to use a suction cup. It's different based on the technique that's being used when you're going to pop it off to close out a window. Just a different system. Take a look at the video for a while, see the technique we're using.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where diseases.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. Just want to show a different technique. We don't usually use a pole with high-rise. Maybe in pieces, but not for surely not a full building. I appreciate you watching. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.